Hello, welcome back to RAC Caravans. We haven't done a vlog for absolutely ages. I don't know why really. I think it's because we've been caravanning with other people and it's just not fair to put them on. But we've got some exciting news. So next weekend we are going to take our caravan and we're seasonal pitching it. We're going to do it for a year to see how we get on, and it's in Scarborough. So from next weekend we'll be back to vlogging again. Off to get it valeted, so I've just come in with the spoons for a Guinness.
Only one.
Cheers.
Though.
Only one, obviously. So yeah, we've decided to give seasonal pitching a go because we've been all over in van, and I'm just a bit fed up of setting up, having to pack up, get off site on a Sunday before 10, blah blah blah. So we just decided we're going to try it, and we've just got to set up that once and then we can leave when we want. So I'm excited. There's a bike trail near the site, there's walking facilities. When I say walking facilities, that's wrong, innit? There's
facilities.
Yeah.
There's walking trails.
There's walking trails, and the beach is literally a 10-minute walk. So we're going to take us paddle boards. We're going to get a lock up so that we haven't got to fetch and carry them back when we go.
I am here not to abandon the channel, so we'll see you in Scarborough.
See you in Scarborough, babbies.
You alright there, babe?
Yes, I'm good, thank you.
What are you thinking of it so far?
It's nice.
Don't ignore the viewers, face them and talk to them.
I look a bit rough. Just doing some breakfast.
Oh yes. Well, it's like a
Kids' meal.
I say breakfast. It's nearly 1 o'clock afternoon.
It's bird's eye potato waffles with ravioli.
So we've got the awning up, put some cushioned floor tiles under there, keep it nice and soft because it's got pebbles. I'll show you. It's a bit rough underfoot, but it's absolutely red hot in here. It's like a bleeding sauna. So I've got these windows open with some nets on it, but it's still red hot. I don't know, I'm gonna have to sit outside on his little garden there. Look, I'll show you the quick view outside. Let's get my shoes on.
I think I've just knocked electric off because I've got the microwave and toaster on at the same time.
Oh dear, hang on a minute. Let me put electric back on. Oh, she's tripped it outside. So we're back up and running, electric's back on. We've just discovered if you put the toaster on, the kettle and the microwave, boom, gone.
Guess who did it? So
We've just been to B&M and bought some tacky solar powered lights, and I'm going to put them and edge it on in there. Yes, cheesy I know, but
we don't give a shit.
we feel left out because last night every van were like fucking Blackpool illuminations. I feel left out.
Yeah, there's some a bit cheesy.
So yeah,
A bit classier.
this is his little pitch. I'll show you from over here, get a better view of it. So I've got a nice little garden area that's astroturf, but I'm going to put some new astroturf down, and I'm going to astroturf it in front of the awning door there, side of the van, right up to this curb. We've got a couple of robin's nests in this edge behind Rach that come out every morning. Put mealworm on here for them. So yeah, happy as Larry.
Wait, but it's cheesy like, so
Come on then, let's show them.
we've run out of clips.
Little solar powered dodgy thing, they have 'em. We've opted for warm light, not bright light. Ooh, I'll show you the video tonight when they're glowing. Definitely not having them flashing. Like that caravan behind me. Theirs were flashing like fucking Blackpool illuminations last night.
We're off to the beach. Look at his little trolley. Right, Sandoz.
Yeah, I've got us 2 little beach chairs, beach bag, supplies, brolly. Let's do it. Man after me own out there. Marching on together. So when you come out of our campsite, which is just there, cross over this road, and this path here takes you right to the seafront. Well, Cleveland Way, which is like on the seafront, but if the tide's not out, we're gonna have to sit on the cliff edge. Come on, Babby, catch up.
Feel like something's.
Oh, she's bust it already.
I haven't. Something's scraping on.
Oh, it's that arm. Right, we're back in action. Temporary hiccup with brakes. It's supposed to be a private road, this, Rach.
Should you be pulling this like being gentlemen?
Is it here then? Yeah, it's supposed to be a private road. It said down there, no entry except for access to works.
Just sorting my kegs out.
Thought she were having a piss then.
Edit that.
I know you guys can't smell this, but that's a sewerage works in there. It freaking
Fucking hell.
stinks. Rach just says I can smell horse manure. Says that ain't horse shit, that's human.
That's gross.
That's like a bloody old house, that.
I
To say
couldn't
it's-
work there.
You know, to say that's a treatment work. Look at a house at Bag or whatever it is.
I'd be
Offices.
gipping. I'd be heaving constantly. Let's go to the beach, beach. I'm on the floor. Oh. Na, na, na. Give me some more.
Someone's
Our
excited.
ships are meant to fly.
We'll get here and freaking tide will be in, so there'll be no beach. You'll watch. After all this. That's where we're heading, down to that little beach. You can
Oh,
see
it
it.
looks cute.
Zoom in.
It's chuffing windy.
Yeah, it's a lovely wind. It's quite soothing. It's not freezing wind. It's keeping me from sweating. Always lagging behind. Come on, love.
I'm coming. It's not chairs, it's wine that's heavy.
Wine? I've only fetched pop.
Oh yeah, all right. Won't be a day on beach, Babby, without a glass of vino.
No.
Are we nearly there? Love,
You what, Babs?
are we nearly there?
I ain't got a clue. Seems to be going on forever, this bleeding walk.
Oh dear.
Let's go to the beach, she says.
It's a fair old walk, isn't it? Calves are burning.
Fucking hell.
What's this then?
I don't know.
Scalby Lodge Pond on the Heritage Coast.
Let's have a nosy at the back area, then I'm going to go back up to Rach. You can see her stood up there, look. Crikey, you can see where the sea's made this smooth. Well, we've had a lovely day at the beach. We're just heading back.
We haven't actually been on beach.
No, we haven't. Well, I have. We found this secret beach, but it was a bit unsuitable for Rachel in flip-flops, so I went down and had a look.
It was like,
Honestly, now, what a private beach. So we're going to come back next weekend on another adventure, and we're going to go on that beach for the day, aren't we? If the weather's all right.
I put my trainers on.
Yeah, weather permitting.
But it's been great, but it's getting very windy now and I'm getting cold. So yeah.
Well, I'm feeling it's quite
So
refreshing.
we're going back to caravan and we're gonna just chill out around there.
Yeah, get some tea,
Yeah.
chill out, might even have a game of Scrabble.
I don't think so.
So we'll see you back at the van.
Bye.
Bye.